Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie, and if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Also, please don't forget to click that bell and turn on your post notifications so you get notified of any future videos. Alright you guys, so today I have a new mic attached to my camera. I'm hoping everything goes well. I did test out the mic before filming this video, so like I said, hopefully nothing goes wrong, which I don't think it should because I did test it out beforehand, but you never know. So today, as you can see, I have my brows filled in, my eyes prepped and ready, and you guys know I do this all the time because I don't want to waste any time. Sometimes the videos are too long, but I have been trying to shorten them as much as possible. Hopefully you guys appreciate that. I know I can get a little stretchy with the videos, but like I said, we're trying to fix that and do a little better. Try to get more detail in there and shorten the unnecessary things in the video. So yeah. Alright, so today I have the Jaclyn Hill palette with in collab with Morphe. So I'm going to be using this one today. So I haven't used this palette in a little bit, and this is one of my favorite palettes. Honestly, like the palette of the year for me. Absolutely love it. I think the colors in here, let me show you guys. The colors in here are just perfection. The blendability is amazing. And just everything about this. You have plenty of shadows to choose from. You have everyday, colorful shadows to create a smoky look, a fun look. Anything that you can think of, you can create with this palette. And I absolutely love it. You have choices for everything. Any type of occasion, I feel like you have it. And it's affordable. But we're going to jump right in. I also want to share with you guys, I cleaned all of my, well, let me not say all of my brushes, but a majority of my brushes, you guys. So I have that. Those are clean. These are clean. These are clean. Oh my god. I haven't done a thorough clean, what is it? A thorough clean. I haven't thoroughly cleaned my brushes. There you go. Now I can speak English. I haven't thoroughly cleaned my brushes, you guys. I've been using the Cinema Secrets to just clean as I go, which I will be doing, but I literally have two of these sizes with like my small brushes, more bigger brushes, like 3 of those full. I'm talking about skinny brushes, like eye brushes and face brushes, like combined. I'm looking right at them and I'm just like, oh my god. Oh, so many brushes to clean. But anyways, we're gonna jump right in. I was talking before about trying to cut out things that are unnecessary, and honestly, whatever. But I wanted to share with you guys. So I'm kind of a little chit-chatty today, huh? Alright, so going in with no joke, you guys, this beautiful yellow from the palette with a MAC 224. I am going to be using that right here in the crease as our transition shade. Alright, so now I'm going to grab the JH33 brush, and I am going to go in with Tipsy Girl, which is this beautiful hot pink. I absolutely love this shade from this palette. I've used this shade so many times. I am going to be applying this shade right here on the outer V, and then blending it right in that crease. Alright, so for the next shade, I am going to be going in with this shade here called Paolo. I haven't used this shade. I did swatch it, and I think it looks so beautiful. And I'm going to be applying this shade right here on the inner corner, like the beginning part of the eye. And I think it was just such a pretty color. It has a nice sheen to it. It's really pretty. I feel like it blends beautifully into that hot pink, but don't you worry, I know you want to see more of like a vibrant eye look, because I know I do. I love a vibrant look. So I'm going to go in and apply a little bit more of that hot pink just to make it pop more. And don't you worry, because that inner corner is going to get something, well, it's going to get some love as well. You guys already know I'm all about applying something on the inner corner. I'm going to even do that right now. So grabbing a little brush, so this one is from BH Cosmetics. I'm going to go in with I'm In It. I just feel like this shade is going to be perfect. So I'm just going to apply that right here on the inner corner, and you see that? You're just going to blend that right in, and you see how it just opens up the eye. I also want to do something a little different today, so I am going to grab my Inglot drops, and I'm going to grab a little plate like this, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a little bit of the drops. I'm going to apply it to this little dish here, and I'm going to add a little bit. I'm going to create my own eyeliner. So I'm going to grab this shade here. This one is called Dance Party, and I'm going to add that to the Inglot drops. Alright, so like I said, I am going to grab some of the shadow and apply that right in here. Just mix it in with the Inglot drops. And as you can see, it creates a little bit of a liquidy consistency. And now I'm just going to grab a little bit of that, and I'm going to create a wing. Alright, so now I'm just going to grab a little face wipe, and I'm just going to clean the edges just like that. And look at that liner. Look at that. How beautiful. And if you want to add more, just add more. I'm telling you, these Inglot drops are the best. I also believe you can do that with some eye drops. I haven't really tested that yet because I have the Inglot drops. But I believe you can use eye drops if you don't, and create any color liner that you want. Definitely any eyeshadow will do. It doesn't matter what color. If you want a yellow eyeliner, use the yellow eyeshadow and create your own. It's going to work, trust me. So as you can see, this is what we have going on, and I think it looks beautiful. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to go in with some lashes. Today I'm going to be using the Kiss, what is this, 01 lashes, and yeah, so once I'm done applying them, I'll be back and finish off the rest of the makeup. Alright guys, so I'm back. As you can see, I have my lashes on and everything is looking perfect. Now I'm going to move on to face primer. I'm going to be using this one. I absolutely love this. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Oil and Shine Control. I have the small one, but I will be repurchasing this, but in the larger size. I absolutely love it. Believe it or not, I do use this even when I don't wear makeup, because it really does help with the oils. I have a very oily T-zone, and I've noticed that it really does help. And I like that it's not like a very dry consistency. You know what I mean? Like, it applies nice and creamy, but it does help the oil, you know, help the oils from seeping through, you know, and I like it a lot. Alright, so what else? Now for foundation, I am going to be going in with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I am in the shade Golden Beige, and I am going to be using my e.l.f. sponge today. So I'm just going to go and start with 2 pumps, and then I'm just going to blend it out. Moving on to concealer, you guys. The last time I used this, I really loved it. So this one is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Natural. Alright, so now to blend this out, I am going to be going in with my e.l.f. sponge as well. Now I'm going to cream contour. I am going to go in with the Maybelline Super Stay Multi-Use Foundation Stick, and this one is in the shade 334 Warm Sun. To blend this out, I'm going to be going in with my clean Real Techniques contour brush, and you guys, this hasn't been cleaned in a while, and I'm so happy it's clean, because now I know that I'm not going to break out from dirty brushes. So I'm just going to blend it out. To finish off the rest of the blending, I am going to go in with my e.l.f. sponge, and I'm just going to go pat, 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 pat all over those little areas, like the nose, the same areas I applied the warmer shade. I'm just going to blend that out, and it's just going to look super duper airbrushed, as you can see. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the Derma Blend setting powder, and I usually like to pour some on the actual cap and go in with my e.l.f. sponge and just apply it. Alright, so grabbing my clean Kenzie brush and my Hoola Benefit bronzer, I am going to go in and set those contours. I'm also going to grab a little bit of the bronzer and this JH40 brush, and I'm just going to line that up with my nose, just contour a little bit. Now I'm just going to grab the Sephora Pro Airbrush Concealer number 57 brush, and I'm just going to blend out the edges of this little contour that I did on my nose, just to soften it up and it doesn't look so like dark and muddy, you know what I mean? I'm gonna soften that up so it looks a little more realistic than me basically just drawing on my nose. There we go. Okay, alright, so you guys will let me know what you guys think of that, because I don't know, something new for me. I don't really do this like that, so I figured I would try it. But now I'm going to go in with a little bit more of that Derma Blend setting powder. Grab a little bit with my sponge, and we're going to reverse contour. And that right there, you guys, is what I usually do. So now I'm just going to grab a big brush like this, just remove it, blend it out. I honestly didn't even leave it there for like 30 seconds. Maybe even at least 30 seconds. I don't know. But I honestly just applied it and grabbed a brush and blended it out, as you guys saw. Now, let's see. We're going to move on and finish off the eyes, you guys. So grabbing, let's see, what brush do I want to use? So I guess I'll go in with this brush. This is the JH40 brush. And what color did I use this? I used this for my nose. Duh. Right? Yeah, I used that for my nose. Alright, so I'm going to grab this brush here. I'm going to go in with the Tipsy Girl, and I'm just going to apply that on the lower lash line. I'm going to grab the JH41 brush, and I'm going to go in with a little bit of Paulo right here. Oops. Yeah, with Paulo. And I'm going to blend that on the lower lash line as well. And then, hold on you guys, hold on. We're going to go right back in with that BH Cosmetics little accent brush and go in with I'm In It. Just that beautiful shade right here. And we're going to apply a little bit more of that on the inner corner. This color is beautiful. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. Right? Tell me it's not. You can't tell me it's not, because it is. Alright, so we're just going to add more. Alright, so now that I'm done with that, I am going to add a little bit of this eye definer for Rimmel in the shade In the Nude. And this is going to go on the waterline. Now for mascara, I am going to be going in with my favorite. I always use this one, you guys. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational. Alright, so moving on to highlighter, you guys, I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia of Beverly Hills and Nicole Guerrero highlighter palette. And I have been totally obsessed with this palette, you guys. I'm going to be going in with the shade Kitty Cat. This one here, it's so pretty. I figured this would go perfect with my eye look today. So I'm just going to add a little bit of that, and I'm using a Real Techniques, what is this, setting brush, I believe. Look at that. What? That's a highlight. Add a little bit on the tip. Cupid's bow. Why not add a little bit on the brow bone? And for lip liner, I'm going to be going in with the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Sao Paulo. And for lipstick, I'm going to be going in with this one from Gerard Cosmetics. This one is in the shade Buttercup. I haven't used this lipstick in so long, you guys, and it's super duper pretty. So I'm just going to apply this over top. I love the way this smells. And to finish that off, I'm going to be going in with the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss. This one is in the shade Peach Bellini. And to finish off the look, you guys, I'm going to set my face with the NYX Bear With Me Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil Multitasking Spray. Alright, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's makeup look right here. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!